this is the next video in the holiday activity packs, and it's rainbow rice. So you should have in your packs some microwavable rice, some cucumber, and some kind of vegetables that are colourful. So peas, sweet corn, some people have got carrots. So yeah, to get started, all we're going to do is turn on the hob carefully. Put a little bit of oil, about a tablespoon, into the pan and wait for it to heat up. So you can put these in the microwave and just follow the instructions on the pack. We're going to cook it in the party pan instead so that it's easier to show you. So open it up, pour it in, and just cook it slowly on a low heat. With rice, you have to make sure that it's cooked really well and that it's hot all the way through. So while that's cooking, going to chop up and prepare your colourful veg. So cucumber, I usually chop it right down the middle in half and then along a couple of times so they're in strips. And then cut those strips into little squares, like this. And the same with the other one. The cucumber you're going to add in at the end because you don't want it to cook. And then with your tins of veg, they have a little ring pull on them. Pull. And be really careful with these because the sides can be sharp, and drain it into the sink, all the excess water. We're just going to drain it into a bowl here. Then when all the water's drained, you pour it in with your rice, and it should be sizzling. So we've got peas and sweet corn in ours. They're popping up everywhere. They're bouncing out the pan. Be careful again with your tins. And we're just going to leave that to cook for about 2 minutes more until all the veggies are cooked all the way through. Okay, so it's been about 2 or 3 minutes and the rice is hot, the veggies are cooked through. So all you want to do now is turn your pan off and carefully serve yourself a little bowl. And it should be really colourful from all the delicious veg you've put in. You're going to add cucumber to the top to add a nice green. And then we suggest just a little bit of salt to bring the flavour out. And we're going to put chilli sauce on ours. You can put whatever you want on it to suit your taste. Enjoy and send your photos in when you get them. I'll bring it over. Ta-da! See you next time.